Well, Toolerinos, it's been a long time coming, but my son finally cleaned off his workbench so that we could put the steel plate on it. It's pretty heavy duty, but once that's on there, we can actually mount his vise and make this workbench a proper workbench. And he wanted me to make sure you guys saw he mounted this reel that I bought years ago and never installed in my own shop. Alright, the moment of truth. How'd we do?
Nope. There it goes.
Like a glove. Alright, steel top fits. And now time for some drilling and some countersinking. And then the vise. The Ken Tools vise is getting very close to being mounted. Those are the bolts we're going to use, and the hole pattern, and the pilot holes drilled. Almost there. So, how do we brush away the shavings without getting them in the hole? Here, son. Yeah, that sort of works. So my son found out the hard way that you should use only good quality wire brush wheels on your bench wire brush. So let's see how many are on the floor. Alright, good enough. What do we got? Oh my, it's a horror show. Alright, he's already done that multiple times and he's still picking them up. And the vise is finally being mounted. We've probably had it over a year at this point. Our son picked it up to put it on the bench and he said, boy, it seems so light now. He remembered when it was heavy.
Mm-hmm.
And of course he'd like to use a power tool. Alright, he's going to show off his fancy electric tool here. Let's see what happens. Just in case some of you didn't see the video when we got this vise, here it is at 10.5 inches of jaw opening, and show the width, and 8 inches of jaw width. And the spectacular thing is the way this is offset with an extra jaw. You can loosen this, remove this entirely, spin this around, and you can have it like an extra 4 inches approximately of jaw opening. And the first screw in, beautiful, and more to go. Let's see one go in. How's it look?
Nearly flush. Whoa. Alright.
Perfect. Alright. Just 39 more to go.
Wait, what?
No, not that many. Alright, well, the battery's almost dead, so I'm just gonna do this as the final view. The metal top will be complete. Next project, shelf.